If you're looking to boost your brain power, improve your memory, or just keep your mind sharp, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into a topic that could completely transform your brain health. The foods you eat. Did you know that certain foods can actually repair damaged brain health and help prevent cognitive decline? The crazy part is, you might already have some of these foods in your kitchen, but you just don't realize how powerful they are for your mind. So, in this video, we're going to uncover 10 brain-boosting foods that can not only protect your brain, but actually help enhance cognitive function and memory. But wait, don't go anywhere just yet. Stick around until the end of the video, because I'm going to share some simple tips on how to easily incorporate these foods into your daily routine. Plus, I'll reveal how many of us overlook these foods, not knowing how much they can actually help our brains. It's time to change that. And hey, while you're here, make sure you hit subscribe and ring the bell. Because in my next video, we're going to talk about foods that actually damage your brain, the ones you might be eating every single day without even realizing it. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So let's jump right in. Let's start with a big one, fatty fish. You've probably heard that salmon and mackerel are good for your heart, but they're also amazing for your brain. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for optimal brain function. These healthy fats help maintain the structure of brain cells and improve communication between neurons, which is critical for memory and cognition. In fact, research shows that eating fatty fish at least once a week can slow brain aging and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. So, try grilling up some salmon, adding mackerel to salads, or even enjoying a tuna sandwich. Your brain will thank you. Next up, we've got blueberries. They're often hailed as a superfood, and for a good reason. These little berries are packed with antioxidants, especially flavonoids, which help fight oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage brain cells and contribute to cognitive decline, but blueberries help protect against that. Regularly eating blueberries can lead to improved memory and even better cognitive function. Add them to your oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or snack on them fresh. You can also throw them into salads or bake them into muffins for a tasty, brain-boosting treat. 3. Turmeric. If you've ever used turmeric in your cooking, you know it adds a gorgeous golden hue to dishes. But did you know it's also great for your brain? The secret ingredient is curcumin, a compound in turmeric that has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic brain inflammation is linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, but curcumin helps reduce this inflammation and may even aid in repairing damaged neurons. Add turmeric to soups, curries, or roasted vegetables, or even make yourself a warm cup of turmeric tea to get your daily dose. Simple and effective. Let's talk about a true brain-boosting vegetable, broccoli. Not only is it packed with vitamin K, which is essential for brain health, but it's also full of antioxidants that protect brain cells from damage. Broccoli can help improve memory and protect your brain from oxidative stress. You can easily add broccoli to your diet by steaming it, tossing it into stir-fries, or blending it into creamy soups. Try adding it raw to salads or enjoying it with a dip for a healthy snack. Next on the list are pumpkin seeds. They may be small, but they're nutrient-dense and fantastic for your brain. Packed with magnesium, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids, these nutrients are crucial for improving memory and cognitive function. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters, zinc is vital for cognitive health, and omega-3 support brain structure. Snack on them raw or roasted, toss them on salads, or blend them into smoothies. You can also mix them into homemade granola for an easy brain-boosting snack. Here's a fun one, dark chocolate. Not only is it delicious, but it's also great for your brain. It's rich in flavonoids, which can increase blood flow to the brain, improving memory and even boosting your mood. Just make sure to choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa for the maximum benefit and enjoy it in moderation. Pair a small piece with fresh fruit, toss some dark chocolate chips into your oatmeal or yogurt, or make energy bites by mixing dark chocolate with nuts and seeds for a tasty, brain-boosting treat. When it comes to brain health, nuts are a must-have. They're packed with healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants, all of which support cognitive function and protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Regularly eating nuts like almonds, walnuts, and hazelnuts has been linked to better memory and brain performance. Add them to your diet by snacking on them throughout the day, sprinkling them on salads, or blending them into smoothies. You can also add them to baked goods or energy bars for a brain-boosting boost. Oranges aren't just refreshing, they're also a powerhouse for brain health. Packed with vitamin C, this essential nutrient plays a key role in protecting against cognitive decline by fighting oxidative stress. Vitamin C also supports overall brain function, helping you stay sharp and focused. Eat them fresh, add orange segments to salads, or blend them into smoothies. You can also make a citrus salad with oranges and other fruits for a delicious, brain-boosting treat. So there you have it, 10 amazing foods that can help repair brain damage, boost memory, and protect against cognitive decline. From fatty fish to blueberries, turmeric, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate. These foods are not only delicious, but supercharged to support your brain health. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these brain-boosting foods do you already enjoy, and which ones are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always curious to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. And remember, I've got more brain-boosting tips coming your way in future videos. In fact, in my next video, we'll dive into the foods that damage your brain, the ones you might be eating every single day without even realizing it. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. And here's to a healthier, sharper brain.